My name is Jack.
And hi, I'm Bex.
And we are here from De Montfort University.
Yes, we've upgraded from our student accommodation and we'll be living in luxury this weekend. And so we'll be doing a series of live videos to show you guys what we get up to. We've just walked through the door and we're going to take you on a little tour and explore where we're going to be staying.
Yeah.
So we'll go through the first open door, which is directly in front of us.
Go forth, go forth.
So this is nice.
Wow, this is good.
So this is obviously like a kitchen lounge diner thing.
Yeah.
Wow. Fridge. Yeah, that's
Most
a fridge.
important
Well
thing.
done, Bex.
Most important thing.
Freezer, lovely. Oh, there's lots of storage
Yeah.
actually.
I like the inbuilt stuff. I like the fact that everything's like inbuilt to it. I like it.
You won't be able to lose anything down the side.
Yes, no, that happens a lot.
When you're cooking, you do that, Japan.
Oh, no! They
slow
close.
close.
I like a slow close. I like it.
Yes, this is a bathroom. Ooh.
This bathroom's huge.
So clean.
It's really clean.
Everything just feels so new.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and because we've still got all the covering on the carpet as well.
No, it's again for like two people. It's like, I love the decor. It's so nice. Like compared to our student house, this is amazingly. Yeah, easily an upgrade. Easily an upgrade. Yeah. Should we do this? Yeah, we'll try the sofa. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's not. Oh,
That's
not staged either.
It's just coming up for 8 o'clock. Just getting up, and Bex has messaged me that she is in the kitchen getting things ready for the day. Because I didn't hear a single thing in this room. It's so quiet. Good morning.
Good morning. I was about to say I could hear you coming, but I wasn't sure if you were coming in.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good sleep?
I slept okay actually.
Yeah.
How about you? Did you sleep well?
I really enjoyed it, yeah. I had a really nice sleep.
Did I keep you up? Tell me truthfully. Did I
No,
keep you up?
I didn't hear anything.
video. Good evening.
No, we are not trying to be Smurfs.
No.
Well, we've decided that this morning
Yeah.
we're going to have a go at doing some yoga poses.
Because Bex misses the gym. There we are, there's the lighting. Yeah, so don't try any of this at home. But yeah, let's,
Go.
we're going to let's do a classic, the one that they always do in the movies. Is it called
It's the downward dog.
the Downwards Dog?
Yeah.
That one. Yeah.
And then you go down, and then you're meant to lift up.
Oh! And sort of like go
Yeah.
backwards.
Oh! You're meant to push down like through your feet. I don't know if your feet are meant. Yeah, your feet are meant to be flat on the floor.
Oh.
That's not going to happen for me. Oh! Come on, Jack!
This is not what I'm supposed to.
That's not Jack. I think your butt is meant to be.
Hello everyone, hi. Well, the time has come.
It's time to say goodbye.
Yes.
It's been really great being able to talk to you guys that have come and visited. We really appreciated the company.
Yes.
Having someone to chat to, and
Yeah.
hopefully we've been able to help. But if you are interested in coming to view this lovely apartment, then the opportunity is still not gone. Don't worry.
Yes.
From Fridays to Mondays, from 11 to 5, you can still come and have a little look round. Just we won't be here.
Yeah, that's a big sad point. But yeah, come down to Great Central Square, off Warncliffe Road in Loughborough.
And any LE111SN is the postcode.
Yes. Bye, Bex.
Bye.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.